Hi, I'm Scott, Development Chef at Panasonic. In this video, I'm going to show to you how you can produce a great little breakfast or grab and go option through the Panasonic Speed Oven. The product we're going to be producing is a simple ham and cheese croissant. We're going to take our baked croissant and just slice through it. We're not going to go all the way through as we want to keep the edge on top of the croissant. We then take our ham, lay this on the base, and then just slice our cheese into triangles and then build this into the croissant. The probe that we're going to use is going to be P8 with grill on low at 40%. We're going to cook this for 45 seconds. We can see that thanks to the inverter technology, we have a beautiful melt of the cheese throughout. And also with the grill feature, we've now got flaky and crisp pastry just as you'd want it fresh from a normal oven.